Good morning, sir. Thank you for meeting with me. I would like to ask for a promotion. Good morning. Could you tell me the reason for your request? I have worked as a junior engineer for 2 years. I inspect high engineer and mechanical and electrical components. I also supervise a team to design machinery and worked on the environment-friendly equipment project. What position are you apply for? I would like to apply for the team leader position. According to company policy, you meet the requirement. I will discuss it with human resource. Finish send me an email with your request. Yes, sir. Thank you very much.